I'm Tom Bakken. I'm from Cincinnati, Ohio, and I'm an engineer. I saw the before and after pictures. I thought, I want that. I want my hair back. I want my confidence back. The confidence that comes from having your hair back, it's priceless. And I had been spending, money on family and the house. And so it was kind of like the first time I did something that was really, just for me. The technology in general was amazing. I saw some of the robotic procedures, state of the art. I live in Cincinnati, 100 miles away, and through the technology use, I was able to do everything remotely and have the evaluation done and have all my questions answered very efficiently. The AI has got it figured out. He answered all of my questions about how it's done. I'm a sciencey guy, so he talked about single follicles right along the hairline, multiple follicles back in to cover. He talked about how much coverage would be expected with one procedure. I was thinking about price and time and recovery and pain, and Darren walked me through every one of those things. I didn't really experience that much pain. There was some numbness from the suture where they take the donor hair, but that took care of itself after a little bit of time. What makes PAI great is the people, the professionalism, and the results. Oh my gosh. I mean, at the end of the day, you're doing this for the results. And the fact that it's a delightful experience along the way, all the better. I am so happy. I really am. I ended up going with the full multi-unit hair grafting procedure, both for the front and the back, 2 different procedures, because I had a lot of hair loss. There was someone I ran into at work who I hadn't seen in 10 years, and he said to me, "You haven't changed a bit." It was priceless. Other people that had seen me maybe 3 years earlier, they're like, "Oh my goodness, what did you do?" I told them I went to PAI. I was like, I had my own hair moved from one part of my head to another. And so glad that I did. It's your own hair, get it back. Why not?
I honestly, seriously, did not know the effect it was going to have on me, that I was going to love it that much. He really wanted the first procedure because he was always explaining to me that's what he sees every day in the mirror. But it was the back of his head that bothered me the most. He would stand up in places that we were going out to eat, and I'd be like, okay, who's that older man? Help me.
I had no idea that bothered you.
That's not good.
I'm kind of glad I didn't know.
With him now having hair, it's a world of difference. I can't imagine somebody not doing it if they know that this is offered to be done, because it's that simple. The people are great. They're going to walk you through it. They're very professional, and the results are phenomenal. And for me, I would have loved him no matter what, but I don't know, I smile at it because I really like it.
Yeah.
I really like it.
It was good.